today we're going to talk about how to make your CV through AI. So there are many tools available which you can use to make CV or to advance your CV or to update your CV. So one of such tool of AI is CV-Lite. I'm going to show you how to work with it, how you can use it efficiently, and it's such a good website to make your CV or update your CV. So first you have to go to Google and type CV-Lite and you just have to click enter. It's going to show you a screen like this, and here you have to just click on the first link which appears. It's CV-Lite. So screen like this appears. You can log in, or you can first do it on a trial basis by you can create a new CV with AI, or you can import an existing resume. So it's an AI app which can help you to qualify any of your uh, job applications by organizing your CV. So these are some of the things it do. I'm gonna click on create my CV with AI. So it's this appears on your screen. So it's basically you can select any template which you want for the CV. You can skip this step as well, but let's see. I'm gonna go with the most selected one. There are various other options as well. Whichever design suits your personality, and as well it also shows something. If you don't want any of these designs, if you want some professional ones, you can use this. Many of the job applications require nothing like the designed CV, so you can just skip this step and make a simple one. I'm gonna go with this one, the most selected one, the Budapest. You can also, you can see the color changes as well, so you can customize it. I'm just gonna go with this one. So you just have to select one, and you can add a photo to your CV. It's all right if you don't do it at this step. It always, you can always change it later. I'm just gonna skip for now. um I do have to create a new resume, and I'll show you this one later, but let's start by creating a new resume. Create a CV. A screen like this would open up. This side is going to show a blank CV page, which you're going to fill up with all the information which you're going to edit here. So first, obviously, we have to enter our contact info, which is very important in every resume. So you have to enter your first name. Let's say my name is Vihan, and I'm gonna enter my last name. You can enter the city where you're from, and postal code. You have to enter phone number and email. And this is just an example which I'm going to show you. uh, you can enter your mail. Now if you want to enter more of the information, you can add more details. You can enter the driving license category, if the job is regarding any driving, or if you need to enter this, you can enter your nationality, country, and date of birth as well. So just for the sake of showing it on the resume, I'm gonna enter a random birth date. And obviously if you don't, whatever you write here is going to come here, so you have to edit this in that way. So if I write it like this, it can enter it 3rd March. So you can see I've written 3 here, and it's coming as March here. You can show date in number format, so I don't want that, so this is that. I'm gonna enter the country. And nationality. You can write any driving license category, and this is where it's gonna show. Now, as we proceed ahead, this is the area where your contact info is going to come. We now have to write about our experience, our employment experience, which is the main part of the resume. Let's say we are applying, we are right now doing, we are microbiologists. So I'm gonna apply microbiologist as the job title, and maybe my employer is, I'm just gonna write a random name. City would be Mumbai itself. So usually you have to write your present job in the top and the jobs which you have done before at the bottom. So I'm just gonna go ahead with that. But if you want to write the jobs you have done in at the top, you can do it here. For example, I joined it last year and I'm working here presently. So I'm just gonna click here. I currently work here, so it's gonna show present. You can see whatever I'm writing here, it's being edited here. For the job description, I have done this much. So this is just a sample description which I have copied. So I can edit it right here. If I want bullet points to be written, I can write it as bullet points. So these are some descriptions which I'm gonna write, and then I've written one of my job experience. But if I have more than one job experience, I can just add employment right here. I can add more of my job experiences. Just where is Infotech City? I can write Bangalore. I worked here maybe. Yeah, again, guys, this is just a random description. This is just to show you how the website works. So, yes, maybe last year. I worked here for 2 years, maybe. And then I can hide months if I don't want to show months, so I can hide it. It can just show the year, or if I want to show months, I can just, you know, unselect the box. I'm gonna just write the same description, but I have to show you one more thing which this app does. So now, if I am a little bit worried about my description and if it's not matching that much with the job title, or I am a little bit confused about the errors, I can just click here, perfecting with AI, and it's gonna show me some of the results. It's just gonna paraphrase it. It can make it more efficient. For example, this. So it has made some changes, which, it's creating a more defined description. I can use this, or it is also showing me some ideas such as maintaining aseptic conditions or preparing technical reports. So it's showing me some of the extra ideas which I can add in my description. So this is some of really good factors of this website which you can use to make CV. So I'm just gonna select this, or I'm gonna just add this idea. So yeah, you can see how my description has, increased in size. It's showing more of the things which I'm not able to write it, but then it's matching more with the description. You can add more of the employments here, and it's gonna show you the two of the employment experience I have written here. I'm just gonna proceed ahead. So next one is the education sector, which is going to be right here. So you can write education. Maybe I I've done of University of California. I've done Bachelor's of Science. I can write my graduation date, which would be 2020. California. I can write the description of my degree here. So I completed BSc microbiology from University of California with advanced techniques. Yeah, I no, I made a mistake here. And experienced working with top tier professionals, etc. I know there's a lot of mistake, but I can just perfect it with AI. You can see how it has gone much better. I can add more of the ideas which I need, just say, for example, collaborated with leading industry experts, etc. So this has rephrased my text in a better way. I can add more of the education right here. For example, if I have taken a master's degree as well, I can write Masters of Science and fill this as well. So for now, I'm just gonna delete this entry and keep this one. Next, let's go to skills. So, according to my experience in education, it detects and generates the recommended skills which I have. You can use this or you can add manually. You can see these are very related to my text which I have written. So, sterile techniques, team collaboration, microscopy techniques, microbiology techniques. You can use these or you can add manually right here if you have any one of these, or you can add skills. I'm just gonna add some of these, for example 4 of these, and then I can just click on next to about. Also in the skill sector, you can see the bars showing below of the skills. You can edit this as well. For example, my genomic sequencing expertise is not that well. I can just write skillful or maybe experienced. So it's gonna update the bar on the basis of that, and you can do it for all these skills shown here. You can show, if you don't want the bars, you can just show it with the tags and it's not going to show the bars, or you can hide the experience level directly and it's going to show the listing of the skills. I like the bar, so I'm going to keep it. Next is about, so I can just write about whatever my profession is. If I'm writing as a microbiologist, I can, if I click here, I can write one which it shows the ideas right here. Obviously, you can write it on your own. It's not necessary to click here. But right now, I don't have the content for the summary, so I'm just gonna click here and it's gonna show me a summary of the whole or about of my resume. It's gonna show right here. You can update it or you can edit it as per your convenience, I'm gonna finish this. And obviously, at the end, if you want anything to do with the text, font, or the sizing, you can edit it here. You can upload a photo. Maybe I'm gonna upload a photo right here. This one. You can obviously zoom in, zoom out, or upload a new photo. If you want to rotate, you can do it as well, but I'm just gonna upload this one, and you can see it will show right here at the top. uh, if you don't like the template, obviously you can edit it here. I told you about the overall summary and all, and these are some further options which you can use to edit it. uh, if you want to change the title font, you can do it from here. If you like Calibri or more other fonts, there are various options right here. I'm just gonna go with the one which was already there. Body font can also be edited. And if you are traveling and you want your resume to go to a particular country, you can obviously change the language. It's one of the options with senior. i want my uh, I want my resume to be in Spanish, so it's going to change it in Spanish. You can see the whole resume is in Spanish now, and you can change it back to English as well. You can edit whatever personal information or summary you want to. You can add the websites or links, your Instagram. If you have more social friendly job, you can add your website. If you have any blog links you want to add, you can add your marital status here, or show your visa status if it's abroad. Employment history can be added more. If you want to edit more of those, you can edit it here. Skills as well. So all those factors which we have already covered, you can edit here at the last page. And if you want to add more blocks, for example languages, your courses, extra diplomas you have taken, internships, anything you can add from here. And next you have to go to download, and it's just clicking on here. You're going to download this, and we may get the CV which we want. It's very easy to use, and a really proper CV is made from this app. You can download it from right here.